you need to lock up your files. If you're like most people, probably you save all your important files into the cloud. But the problem with that is if any one of those accounts get hacked, well, you lose all of your important data. And trust me, there is a big bad internet out there where people are constantly trying to hack into other people's accounts. So in this situation, it's really important that before you put things into the public domain, encrypt your data, make them password protected. There are a lot of softwares out there that can encrypt your data and lock them up for you. But as a software developer, you can pretty easily make your own. And in this video series, I'm gonna show you how to make your own password protected files. But before that, let me show you what the finished product looks like. So here we have two files, one image and one document. Now once you have developed your program and done the changes I show you, you can just right click and you will find you have an option to lock it up. Click that, a pop-up will open up to enter your password. Go ahead, type in your password and hit enter. And once you do that, it will say encryption successful and you'll get your log file. Similarly, you can do it for the document as well. Just right click, find the option, click on lock. Put your password, hit enter and it will lock your file. When you need to unlock it, just double click the file and again you'll get pop-up to give the password. Put that in, hit enter and it will be unlocked. So that is how you encrypt your files. The program is completely written in Python and the full source code is already available in my GitHub. I'll link that in the description below. But in the upcoming videos, I would tell you step by step how I made it. See you there.